Spend analysis is a powerful feature when used correctly. And in this demonstration, we're going to focus on three primary things. First, we'll dive into spend analysis and explore some of the key figures that are available. Second, we'll take a look at how you use spend analysis tool to dice and slice and create tops lists based on different characteristics. And lastly, we'll explore how spend analysis can help us to identify anomalies. That's close and near and dear to my heart. All right, so one of the best ways that we can enable our sourcing strategy is to be able to go in and do some spend analysis. And I think a lot of folks don't even know that this is here. So this is MC$G, and it is my favorite transaction for going through and evaluating our spend with our suppliers. And you can see that this is a report that has a lot of different information in it. So in this case, we have it sorted by supplier. We are seeing our purchase order value over a period of time. So this is our last 6 months. This is the value of purchase orders that we've placed with each of these suppliers. It has our goods receipt value. So this is how much we have received from those suppliers during those same 6 months. And then it has our invoice amount. So it will have how much we have been invoiced over the last 6 months. And so depending on your terms and your lead time, you will see differences here because it's based on what of those activities has occurred over the last 6 months. One of my favorite things about the spend analysis is it also helps us to catch anomalies. So when we take this down to the material level, which I'll show you in just a moment, we can evaluate our purchase order price versus our invoice price. Now, again, terms will cause some variation here. But let's say that you've just gone through and you've done a quarterly or yearly update on your pricing and you want to make sure that you don't have any pricing issues. Maybe you've made a fat finger and you've added an additional zero. It happens all the time. You can catch that in your purchase order price. So you'll see something that is really outside the normal. You'll see it in your roll up of your purchase order value. So when you know that you've had a recent price change, you can use this to help you to detect anomalies and how that pricing has been loaded.